Tracking jobs, maintaining customer assets, managing the planned preventive maintenance tasks, and ensuring optimal utilization of technicians are essential parts of a facility or property maintenance business. In this video, we will show how you can automate your facility and property maintenance jobs using Zuper, the most flexible and customizable field service management software for service businesses. We are now looking at the Zuper dashboard. You can view the job statistics, team availability, quotes, invoices, and contracts on the dashboard. It can be customized to suit your business requirements. Let's start by creating an asset. Click on Assets in the left navigation bar. Using Asset Management, you can monitor and manage your customer's asset lifecycle, automate preventive maintenance tasks, and maintain a complete record of every asset. Click on New Asset. Let's enter the required asset details. Enter the asset code as EL1009. Enter the asset name as Building Control System. Enter the asset category as Building Controls. Choose the asset status as Installed. Select the asset ownership as Owned by Customer. Let's associate the customer with the asset. Click on Choose Customer. Select the customer and the address. Now that we have filled in the necessary details, let's save the asset. The asset has been created successfully. Now let's create a building maintenance contract. Click on Contracts in the left navigation bar. You can manage your customer contracts here. Click on New Contract. As a first step, choose the customer. Select the customer and the address. Let's move on to contract details. Enter the contract name as Building Maintenance Contract. Enter the contract term as 36 months. Pick the contract start date. The contract expiry date is pre-filled based on the contract term. Enter a relevant contract description. Let's associate the previously created asset with this contract. Let's move to the next tab and add parts or services to the contract. Enter the required quantity against the product, parts, or services and click Add. Moving on to the invoice section, you can view the invoice details. Let's choose to auto-generate the invoices. You can view the billing schedules below. Finally, let's move to the last section to preview the details and save the contract. The contract is saved successfully. Let's create a planned preventive maintenance schedule for the asset. Click on Asset in the left navigation bar. Select the asset that we created. On the Asset Details page, click on New PPM. Let's start filling in the PVM details. You can associate the PPM with a contract. Let's choose the building maintenance contract that we just created. Choose the relevant part/service for the PPM. Choose the priority as high. Let's auto-generate jobs for the PPM. Click on Auto-Generate Job. Enabling this would auto-generate the PPM jobs. Enter the Generate Job before is 10 days. Let's choose the job category as Scheduled Maintenance. Let's move on to PPM schedule. You can pick the frequency in which PPM should be scheduled, say months. Enter the frequency period as 4. Pick the next service date. You can view the scheduled dates below. Let's create the PPM. You can view the asset's PPM and contract on the Asset Detail page. Let's look into the Jobs module. Click on Jobs in the left navigation bar. Here, you can manage the incoming work orders and service requests end-to-end. You can see that the jobs have been auto-generated for the PPM. Now let's see how you can efficiently dispatch a technician for the job. Zuper's intelligent dispatching efficiently allocates jobs appropriately so that the right person is always at the right place with the correct information every time. Click on Dispatch Board on the left navigation bar. You can view the technician's schedule for the day. In the Jobs view on the left, you can view the unassigned jobs. You can view the PPM job we just created. Drag and drop the job against the technician in the Scheduler view against the time frame to schedule. In the Schedule Job pop-up, you can view the job start time, job end time, and the assigned user. Click on Update. The job is dispatched to the right technician successfully. In summary, we created a customer-owned asset, drafted a building maintenance contract, set up planned preventive maintenance schedules for the asset, auto-generated jobs, and dispatched jobs to the right technician. Do you want to optimize your field processes using Zuper? Schedule a demo with us today.